Hello everyone, we're gonna get in coffee. Here we have a quick silvano Evo espresso machine. Now for this machine we only did a tune-up. We pretty much descaled the whole machine. The steamer was completely clogged. It could have been with scale around it or something like that, but right now it's working perfectly fine. We also had to reset the thermal breaker inside the fuse inside the thermal block of the machine in order to actually have this kind of pressure to make the steamer work again. But as you can see, really good pressure, working perfectly fine. We also replaced the gasket from the machine. This one over here. We replaced the shower screen, deep cleaned the shower head as well. And yeah, that's all we did. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test out the machine. Hopefully I choose the right grind settings of this machine. Otherwise we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. So let's see over here. And as you can see, it's keeping out really well. Having really good crema coming out of the machine. Really good water flow. Excellent color. Right there. And yeah, it's a good shot of espresso. And there you have it, quick silvano Evo working once again. And just to show you the shower head, this was the older shower. I mean, this was how dirty the shower head was. Included this, so we end up cleaning everything inside and give it a couple of good back flushes as well to make sure everything's running nice smoothly. And as you can see, paid off. We have really good crema coming out of the machine, and the steamer is just working excellent. So thank you for preparing Candy Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day, and thanks for watching.